Alright, let's talk about this straighten command. I've used it some in the past, but I'm going to kind of go into it very specifically. Straighten is used when you want to clean up something that you've either made a mistake on or something you want to change. As you see in front of us, we've got this huge arcing pattern of these comments, and say we didn't want them all to go in this particular different direction. We could change them by, instead of having to do them one at a time, we can do them all as a group. So what you can do is highlight multiple of them and go up to the edit menu and choose straighten, and it straightens every single one of them all at one time, and that beats sure having to do it by hand.